These are the old bearings, the main bearings, and you can see that the copper, the metal is shining through, so there isn't much bearing surface. And by the way, welcome to my office. It's well, Wirecuff is self-explanatory, right or wrong. Okay, here is the business end of this moist box, which I'm trying to fix. Now, I think I managed to well, I managed to drop parts. That's quite nice to know that. Well, not sticky fingers. That's Nescafe for you. Right. Okay. Greasy as well. And it's glow time. Right. This is probably one of the wrong way to do anything, but since you, my dear followers of the channel, know me, you know that I tend to do things backwards and a bit skew from time to time. So my wife loves ice cream, and that's nice, because then it's more boxes for me. It's rather, I think we, the Tinkers, standing alone, talking to a camera in a godforsaken place in Europe in winter time, tend to like boxes. This is quite nice. I heard of a rumor once that when these holes have been lined up wrongly, hence blocking the oil supply for the crankshaft, and well, burn the heck out of it. This mark is supposed to go there, so let's try to make it go there. And it went there, and it went well. Kind of gibberish, right? Okay, and there she goes. Okay, now a little bit more of this bugger. The end bearing. Oh, holy crap! Well, yeah, I'm glad I could show you, because this is really a nasty bearing. I have a ultra modern brake cleaner fluid bottle pressure air thingy. Well, I'll use most of the pressure up yesterday. It's like the honor. There's not much pressure left in me either. It's more of like a puff of smoke, and well, okay. I'm glad people are not able to watch me as I'm standing around here with a camera attached to my head in the Swedish countryside. You might even get the police asking you, "Hello, this is a wellness check, we have heard." Okay? This is not even greatish. Holy crap. It's more holy crapish. Yeah. It's not even holy crap, it's crap. Oh crap. It's... yeah, well, okay. More for the ice cream. Well, we can all agree that this have once upon a time seen better times for a century ago. Well, not a century, but it's beaten up. So let's change it. I have ordered new gasket and a new gasket here as well, and cowling. These truss bearings will also be replaced. They can trust me. Yeah, that's trustworthy. Okay, now let's empty a gallon or two of oil on this thing, just to be sure it's penetrating down there. And a fresh bearing with a hole that way. Any other way would just be tragic and a sad experience. Okay. And not even. Okay. Okay, there we are. That's rag tie. I just blame it on the brake cleaner. Okay, here we are. Okay, that's wrench. Okay. And lo and behold, it's so now it's time to torque it. As I do not have a clue what kind of torque this takes. Right, Haset 6122CT. I'm supposed to torque these to 29 foot-pounds. That's 39 Newton meters-ish in metric. So what I'm doing then, I'm tensioning this to 40-ish. There we go. So and then it's the conversion again. a gentle blow? Is that blow like into a scream of mercy, or is it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I think that's, when it comes to me, and it's about me, that's so, and that is 116.6. Okay, 116.6. Right. That's 110, and that's okay. That's 6.5. Okay. All right. So, while we all pray a little prayer, these balls are stamped like 12K. I think that's supposed to be some kind of equalization number, because I think these are supposed to be pulled or torqued dry. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's one. That's two. Okay, so we're not going anywhere but different. Okay. I don't like this one bit. Pay attention to that one. Pay attention to it. Okay. Holy. Okay. And it's supposed to be okay. Let's try. Okay. It's actually rotating. Right. Neat. Then it's time to have locking. Biltema, Norwegian, Sweden, Finnish, Danish, I think. Yeah, Norwegian, Danish, Finnish. There's 3, there's 4 texts, so I'm not sure whether who's who. Okay. Anyways, I will try to, for the 3rd time in my life, try to make a locking wire from steel thread. Well, not steel thread, but yeah, no, damn it, you're looking at the same thing as me, so let's call it the thing we see. This. Okay? Right. I'm a world champion when it comes to cutting things too short, and that's not only for this one. It's okay. Now,